Algebra is the way in which we describe patterns and solve puzzles. It gives a simple mathematical way to describe real-world questions and uses letters called variables to represent unknown values. A term is either a single number, a variable, or a combination of the two. Terms are separated by operations such as addition or subtraction signs. Like terms are any terms in an algebraic expression that have the same variables with the same exponents. To simplify this equation, we must first combine the like terms. The first term, 3x squared, and the third term, x squared, are like terms. They share the same variable x, with the same exponent 2. We can combine these two terms by combining their numerical coefficients. The first term has a coefficient of 3. The third term has no numerical coefficient shown, which means the coefficient is 1. 3 minus 1 equals 2. The result of combining these two terms is 2x squared. Let's continue. The terms 2x and the term x are also like terms. 2 plus 1 equals 3, so the result of combining these two terms is 3x. The last terms, y and 1, don't have any other like terms in the expression, so they will remain.